All right, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Gonna be doing some fortune stuff today. Smanow. This is the second set of boards. I'm gonna actually link the video up top somewhere here that's going to show the running boards that are on my brother's 3rd gen. We liked them so much, reached back out to the company and they were nice enough to sponsor this video. My brother has nothing but positive things to say about their boards, so I definitely wanted to give them a shot and I'm pretty excited. So all this stuff, when we get them on, they're going to be linked below if you like what you see. Thing I like more about these boards is they have a part here where they actually advertise you stepping on to get to the top, like when you're cleaning the truck and stuff like that. I'm obviously not that tall, so kind of a nice little addition, but this is everything that you're going to see that comes in your box. Stuff's packaged extremely well. I have no complaints about that. It's going to come with 2 boxes. It says ×2 on them, so assuming that's how you should know. And then you also have the other box, which doesn't say ×2, so obviously it just deserves 1. What you're going to see in here is, guys, they have this stuff labeled so nice. Brackets. This one has brackets in it, but it also has all the hardware I'm going to need, and down here on the bottom has the installation instructions, which haven't got to this point yet. I just wanted to show you guys what was in the box. And yeah, let me get these open, show you guys the instructions. This should be pretty basic stuff, but the quality of these boards, if you guys are trying to get these yourself, the platform and everything's really nice, and so is the finish. So that's what I'm really trying to achieve. But let me go ahead and get the instructions open, get the brackets on these. Should be pretty easy to put on. These instructions don't get much easier than this, guys. This is how you know you're dealing with quality style companies. If you're wondering what's on my hand, I was doing some dirt bike stuff. But anyway, 10, 13, 14, 16 millimeter. Gonna get that on a ratchet. It's gonna show you what you need here. And the very first thing it is, you're gonna get under the truck. You're gonna locate these brackets and you're gonna put them on. So let me go ahead and get this. All right, guys. So you're gonna have these 2 mounting holes on the inside, and you're gonna take 2 of these, so 1 and 1, and what's going to happen is you're going to actually slide these inside this hole to where this nut can get bit on the back. So let me go under the truck and show you guys, and then I'll get one side of the brackets on, and then the other side is obviously pretty self-explanatory, but some of the directions, this is with anything, it's kind of hard to show with pictures. I always prefer videos of how they look. So let me get these in, let me show you guys. All right, guys, so this one's already in place. You can see it's kind of snug. It's not like all the way snug, but the other one, there you go. And then, so 2 up there. There's gonna be 2 like in the center of your truck. Then there's gonna be 2, man, I hate it that you can't see that. There you go. There's gonna be 2 right there. All right, so I showed you guys how to get the U-clips on the bottom. One last thing I wanna show you before we get into actually putting the brackets on. There is a difference in the bracket. Now they show you right here, driver and passenger side. So you guys do a little bit better with actual videos. So the only way that you're gonna tell the difference is see how this mounting bracket right here, and then it's mounted on the lower side. This one's mounted on the upper side. If it's mounted on the upper side, it's passenger. Mounted on the lower side, it is drivers. So this is one of my driver ones. All right, guys, so I'm actually ready to put the running boards up. Oh, whoa. My rockers are a little chipped up. That's just part of when you had wide wheels and stuff on, but put the smaller nuts on the inside of that, and then the running boards are actually just gonna sit on top of that. They got 1 wing nut that goes to the top that you're gonna thread through the bottom, but then on the bottom side of these, there's actually thread holes inside. So I'm gonna set these on top, get them semi-snugged. All these brackets though, prior to this point, all these brackets are snug. They're good. So ready to go to the next step and put these on. All right, guys, all finished up in the driveway. Show you the mounting points, and obviously I have both sides on, which I'll show you guys, but it's those 3 14s on each bracket. That's how they look. Quality is very good. I don't know that I'll stay with this route. Probably gonna go with amps down the road, but definitely a big shout out to the company that sponsored these. I really appreciate it. Purpose and functionality really good. Curious to see how they're going to hold up over a period of time with the texture that they're done in. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about these, make sure you comment below, ask. I'll show you guys the other side too real quick. Walk around. They are on, like I said, as far as functionality, definitely there. If you're into that kind of board, the tube, I don't want to say tube style, but yeah, if you're into that, really good. Big shout out to them. And then guys, support those who support you. Until next time, comment below, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.